Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Monday, October 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 3, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.365. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock upgraded to hold/accumulate. The Apple stock price gained 3.08% on the last trading day, Monday, October 3, 2022, rising from $138.20 to $142.45. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.91% from a day low at $137.69 to a day high of $143.07. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -7.79% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -10 million shares, and in total, 114 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $16.25 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 22.13%, or $40.49, below 52-week high, and 37.59%, or $85.81, below all-time high August 30, 2018, where the price hit $228.26. The stock is at the lower part of a very wide and horizontal trend in the short term, and normally this may pose a good buying opportunity, though a breakdown through the bottom trend line at $138.22 will give a strong sell signal and a trend shift may be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 0.6% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.39% and 23.64%. The 12-month trend indicates a -4.33% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -14.23% and 18.22%. This equals a price between $122.18 and $168.41 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 30, 2022, and so far it has risen 3.08%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Apple stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $146.56 and $158.16. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $141.56, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $5.38 between high and low, or 3.91%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.82%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 23.55. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released October 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.26. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $142.48. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $141.56, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Our recommended stop loss is $135.85, minus 4.63%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 4th, we expect Apple to open down minus $1.38 and start trading at $141.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.